guys, welcome to our channel Pharma Here we came up with new interesting topic about scope of PharmD. For 10 plus 2 students, the pharmacy field give enormous opportunities to build up a career. In that, one course is PharmD. In this video, I will explain the present scope of PharmD in India in government jobs as well as private sector. We will discuss some background and recent important developments. Introduction. Doctor of Pharmacy is a 6 years pharmacy course which includes 5 years classroom learning and 1 year internship. PharmD Postbaccalaureate is a 3 years course including internship. B.Pharm completed student, they can directly enter into the 4th year of PharmD. Background of PharmD. PharmD course was introduced by Pharmacy Council of India in 2008. B.Pharm is mostly industry oriented. The PharmD was treated as clinical pharmacy course. In 2011, the PharmD Postbaccalaureate was started. Until now, there was not much scope for PharmD. PharmD degree holders were struggling for recognition and job prospects. Even after a decade, the PharmD prospects were not bright because of several reasons. The status of PharmD for government jobs was not clear. There was confusion in mind of students. As PharmD is a clinical pharmacy course, are not qualified for appointment in most pharmaceutical industry sectors. Even in private hospitals, scope was not good because clinical pharmacy is not practiced in India. Pharmacists work as dispenser only. Even in dispensing, the pharmacists do not function as per Pharmacy Practice Regulation 2015. So there is lack of acknowledgement of pharmacist role. As of now, some private hospitals created the clinical pharmacist post in their hospitals. Scope of PharmD. In the light of above developments, it could be interpreted that PharmD professionals have better days for career ahead. Let's examine the scope of PharmD. Scope of PharmD in government jobs. Drug inspector. PharmD graduates are now eligible for drug inspector jobs. But please note, some states of requires experience in manufacturing or testing of Schedule C and C1 drugs. PharmD cannot go to pharma manufacturing as they do not have necessary skills and syllabus, but can get employed as analyst in company, maybe after some certificate course in quality control. This way, necessary experience can be obtained. Dispensing pharmacist. PharmD graduates are now eligible for dispensing pharmacist government jobs. They can apply for such post without experience certificate. Future prospects for dispensing pharmacist are improving with increased pay scale in midterm future. Clinical pharmacist. Pharmacy Council of India implementation of pharmacy practice amendments to create clinical pharmacist post in hospitals could have a greater opportunity for PharmD students. Pay scale and job profiles of clinical pharmacists will be respectable. Scope of PharmD in private sector. As clinical pharmacist, PharmD can work as clinical pharmacist in hospitals. If clinical pharmacist post is made mandatory, then there will be vacancy in each hospital. Private practice. Like all pharmacists, PharmD are eligible to set up their pharmacy or medical shop. They can even charge for consultations as provided in Pharmacist Regulation 2015. In pharmaceutical industry, they can work in pharmaceutical companies in the field of pharmacovigilance and clinical research. In teaching, PharmD students can work as lecturers, assistant professor, etc. in pharmacy colleges all over India. Recent developments. Due to active struggle of PharmD professionals, Pharmacy Council of India has taken notice of PharmD graduates' plight. One example of recent peaceful agitation is hunger strike by Mr. Simon Joshua. He was on hunger strike for more than a month on demand of separate cadre for PharmD professionals. Below are the latest developments which indicate a brighter future for PharmD students. PharmD will prefix Dr. PCI in 2012 had issued communication to universities to prefix doctor in certificates of pharmacist as per regulation 18 of the PharmD regulation 2008. Same is clarified by Pharmacy Council of India for strict compliance in 2019. Pharmacy Practice Regulations 2015. Pharmacy Practice Regulation enhanced the role of pharmacist from just being an distributor to the protector of patients' well-being. Proposed amendment of pharmacy practice rules. Further amendments to the pharmacy practice regulations are forwarded to Health and Family Welfare Ministry. These amendments create the post of clinical pharmacist in every hospital. Eligibility for clinical pharmacist is PharmD. It will be reputed post possibly of Group A. Eligibility of PharmD for government jobs. Pharmacy Council of India has issued a clarification that PharmD students can eligible for all government jobs which require B Pharm, D Pharm or M Pharm as eligibility. So along with clinical pharmacist posts, PharmD could apply for dispensing pharmacist and drug inspector jobs also. Even my seniors got job in pharmacovigilance, research, medical writing, quality control department. Even I am also PharmD student. I hope I have a good future in career. I hope all are understand this topic. For more updates, join our Telegram channel exclusively for PharmD students. For notes, material, soft copies are uploaded. Please like, subscribe, share and also give feedback in comment section. Thank you.